the evolution of Forex EAs spotlight on Avenix Fzco's Botogon, last updated August 28, 2024 at 5:48 GMT. 3. Author Mao Orillana. Author Mao Orillana, author profile. Share copied last updated August 28, 2024 at 5:48 GMT. 3. Why trust Cryptonews with over a decade of crypto coverage? Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews disclaimer. The text below is an advertorial article that is not part of cryptonews.com editorial content. While it has undergone editorial review to ensure quality and relevance, it may not reflect the views of cryptonews.com and is clearly distinguished from our independent editorial content. In the ever-evolving world of Forex trading, automation continues to play a significant role. Avenix Fzco, a Dubai-based financial technology firm, has recently introduced Botogon, its newest Forex robot designed for the MetaTrader 4 MT4 platform. This expert advisor, EA, aims to assist traders in navigating the complexities of the foreign exchange market, with a particular focus on the XAUUSD pair. Algorithmic market analysis at the core of Botogon's functionality is its use of sophisticated algorithms to analyze market conditions. The Forex robot is programmed to identify crucial support and resistance levels, providing users with data-driven insights. This approach to market analysis forms the foundation of Botogon's trading strategy, allowing for automated decision-making based on predefined parameters. Automated risk management. Botogon incorporates several features aimed at managing trading risk. The EA utilizes a specific risk ratio for trade execution, striving to balance the preservation of capital with the pursuit of profits. One notable aspect of Botogon's risk management system is its auto lot functionality. This feature dynamically adjusts trade sizes based on the user's account equity, potentially optimizing position sizing for each trade. Advanced trading mechanics. Avenix Fzco has equipped Botogon with several advanced trading features. The Forex robot includes trailing stop and break-even functionalities, which are designed to protect profits and limit losses as market conditions change. Additionally, Botogon makes automatic adjustments to stop-loss levels, aiming to maintain protection for open trades as they progress. USD specialization. A distinctive aspect of Botogon is its specialization in trading the XAUUSD gold US dollar pair on the H1 timeframe. Avenix Fzco has tailored the Forex robot's algorithms and analysis methods to the specific characteristics of the gold market. This focused approach aims to capitalize on the unique patterns and behaviors often observed in XAUUSD trading. Collaborative trading environment. Alongside the Forex robot itself, Avenix Fzco has established a community platform for Botogon users. This environment is designed to facilitate interaction among traders, allowing them to share insights and discuss strategies. The community caters to traders of varying experience levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Within this space, users can access support from experienced traders and Botogon specialists, covering topics such as software usage, strategy development, and risk management principles. About Avenix Fzco. Avenix Fzco stands as a financial technology innovator based in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The company specializes in developing Forex trading software with a focus on creating tools that integrate precision analytics, risk management features, and intelligent automation. Botogon represents the latest addition to Avenix Fzco's lineup of Forex robots for the MT4 platform. The company maintains a commitment to ongoing software development, regularly updating its products to align with evolving market dynamics and incorporating advancements in trading technology. Beyond software development, Avenix Fzco places emphasis on fostering a supportive trading community and providing customer assistance to help clients navigate the Forex market landscape. For those interested in exploring Botogon's capabilities, Avenix Fzco's website offers the opportunity to test the Forex robot firsthand. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer. The text above is an advertorial article that is not part of cryptonews.com editorial content.